This is soy sauce I've been working on. So let's see how it looks like. It's been sitting about, so far, heavy, 6 months or so. You see the gooey thing? Around the, before I go, around the edge, you get lots of gooey thing. Most things okay. This is just the non-harmful, I would say, non-harmful bacteria growing, the white one. So here, just take it off. And this you eat just like this. That's scary. You take the gooey things off. And just mix. There. I have to make sure. I think it's about 6 months. I will double check. 6 months so far. Could be longer than that. So, coming like this, like this, like this. Umai. First, clean up around. Sea salt. Quite a bit of sea salt. A bit of water. Not very much. Just a little bit of water with lots of sea salt. Very thick salt water. But at this stage it's coming really fermented. So I don't think I have to worry about that too much. And new plastic wrap going over the top. Just try to get rid of the air as much as possible. Like this.